Hey everybody, we are back at Natural Transplants. We're here in the Bethesda, Maryland office, and I just wanted to show you again another example of our scars here. This is a patient of ours that we did about 10 days ago. He wanted to remain anonymous, but the scar looks so good, I had to show it to you. So, and then again, this is typical for us. This is not an outlier. And a lot of guys are worried about what the scars are going to look like, and legitimately so. You see some bad scars out there online, but this is pretty typical here at Natural Transplants. And you can see, obviously it's a little more visible because it's shaved, but the stitches just came out, and you can see that tiny little line. That's going to be the scar right there. You're never going to see this. You could shave. He could shave his head down to a 2-guard and never see this. So we're going to spin it around. And see the tiny little line right there. Once this hair grows back, he's likely going to shave everything down to the same level in about a week. And this tiny little sliver of a line right there. And again, like I said, this is pretty typical. This is not an outlier or unusual for us here. So anyway, just to show you another example of what we do, ease some anxiety, because again, this is a big concern for patients, for guys, about kind of what it looks like in the back. All right.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.